The cryptocurrency market has recently exploded, with Solana being the most recent coin to do so. Along with Cardano ADA, the potential cryptocurrency termed the Ethereum killer by investors is now living up to its hype. Hello everyone, and welcome back to our channel. So guys, today we are going to talk about this recently exploded blockchain and its price prediction. Solana is a programmable blockchain that can handle several decentralized finance activities comparable to Ethereum. Unlike Bitcoin, a non-programmable blockchain, Solana and Ethereum allow for the storage of smart contracts, which can be programmed only to carry out transactions if certain conditions are met. The decentralized blockchain network will enable users to swap SOL coins, non-fungible tokens, and other digital assets as a programmable system. The network's inception dates back to 2017. Anatoly Yakovenko, a software developer at Dropbox, devised the strategy. Later, he collaborated with Greg Fitzgerald, a former Qualcomm employee and an ex-colleague, to construct the Solana testnet. But what compelled him to create Solana? Anatoly realized that most networks will take longer for the nodes to reach a consensus point. Furthermore, most projects struggled with multiple transactions. Some even limit the development of programs developed on them. Due to a lack of scalability, this became extremely widespread. As a result, this software developer wished to create an innovative and highly scalable network. And that is what we now call Solana. Anatoly's adventure, however, did not end there. The existence of a Solana testnet in 2018 and a Solana mainnet beta in March 2020 demonstrates the network's continuing efforts. Solana, SOL or SOL, is now on a roll, hitting new all-time highs following new all-time highs. According to CoinGecko data, the price surged by over 200% in August and has increased by over 7,000% since the beginning of the year. This propelled Solana into the top 10 cryptocurrencies in terms of market capitalization. Solana, which is available on the most prominent cryptocurrency exchanges, is now ranked 7th. We can never be sure whether the value of a cryptocurrency will plummet as swiftly. Finding out why the price has risen is one approach to determine how long-lasting that increase is. Here are some of the reasons for Solana's success. Degenerate apes advance into NFTs by Solana. If you're a crypto enthusiast, you've heard about non-fungible tokens, or NFTs for short. Fundamental data is effectively baked into each piece of digital art by encoding ownership and copyright information in these tokens. Solana's first significant attempt into NFTs was degenerate apes. Costumed apes with various qualities, from glasses to sandwiches, and varying degrees of rarity are included in this collection. Even though there were a few technical glitches, the team tweeted that they were overwhelmed by the demand. Less than 10 minutes later, 10,000 apes had been sold out. Over $66 million was traded at the time of creating this video. SOL was needed for all of those transactions, which is why the prices went up. It's drawing a diverse range of products, some of which are succeeding. There are over 400 projects on Solana's network, including several decentralized finance or DeFi apps. Decentralized finance is a catch-all phrase for various projects that eliminate the middleman, often banks, from financial transactions. FTX and Alameda Research launched Serum on the network, a decentralized cryptocurrency exchange that hosts the increasingly popular USDC stablecoin. USDC can also be purchased on Ethereum. Another of this month's crypto stars, Audio, also uses the platform, which may be contributing to Solana's price increase. In addition, TikTok selected Audius as its streaming partner earlier in August. People are in search of Ethereum alternatives, ETH. Ethereum was the first programmable blockchain, meaning it could host other applications and coins, and many others have since followed in its footsteps. Although Ethereum continues to be used in most applications, the network is experiencing congestion and high fees. As a result, both developers and investors are on the lookout for new opportunities. Solana is one of a slew of programmable blockchains competing for first place. People talk about Ethereum killers, but Ethereum is more likely to emerge as one of 5 or 6 leaders in the following years. If Solana keeps performing well, it has an excellent chance of earning a spot in the top tier. The Wormhole project was launched with success by the company. Wormholes may sound like something out of Star Trek, but they provide a convenient means to connect to other networks for Solana. At the moment, blockchains aren't very good at collaborating with one another, which has been a stumbling block in their development. It'd be the equivalent of having two wireless carriers who couldn't interact with each other. Projects can now use the wormhole to shift assets between Ethereum and Solana swiftly and affordably, according to CoinDesk. The next stage, according to Solana, will be to link Terra, Luna, with the Binance Smart Chain. It's a snap! There's no doubt about it, Solana is one of the quickest cryptos on the street right now. At the cost of less than 1 cent per transaction, it claims to execute at least 50,000 transactions a second, TPS. According to the Motley Fool, Solana can handle up to 50,000 transactions per second, TPS. The company claims that as the network expands, that number might rise to 700,000 TPS. To put things into perspective, Ethereum currently processes 15 to 45 TPS, though this will increase once ETH2 is fully implemented. Although speed is not everything, it has proven to be a barrier for many developing cryptocurrencies. Time will tell whether Solana is correct in claiming that security and other considerations have not been compromised in order to achieve that speed. Assuming this is the case, Solana may maintain its position in the top 10 cryptos for some time. Let's see what experts have to say about the SOL's price. While some experts and crypto forecast platforms use a conservative approach to forecast, others use a more realistic and optimistic trend, such as Reddit community. It is wholly dependent on the currency's movements and fundamentals. By the end of 2021, the SOL price could be approximately $65. Wallet investor. According to our SOL price projection, a long-term gain is foreseen. The forecast for 2026 is $574. Revenue is estimated to be around plus 1,300% after a 5-year investment. Coin price forecast. SOL has a bright future. It may be minimally harmed, but bulls will return, and its price may surge to $199 by the end of 2021. Long forecast. The coin's price is predicted to reach roughly $106 by the end of 2021. Gov Capital. NEO estimate, the coin will be worth roughly $103 by the end of 2021. According to CoinGecko, the price of Solana was $147.70 on September 4th, with a 24-hour trading volume of $5,828,605,898. In the previous 24 hours, the price of SOL has risen by 3.9%. It has 290 million SOL coins in circulation and a total supply of 489 million. Despite the price predictions of numerous cryptocurrency experts, Solana continues to surpass the competition. No matter how much higher the costs are in Solana, the community has better standards. Solana will outperform all Bitcoin investors who have found this platform to be incredibly engaged and user-friendly. According to recent news updates, another significant launch of SOL's exchange is slated to debut shortly in the market, which will be supported by a proof-of-stake feature on a plethora of exchanges. So guys, is this a good investment? If you're buying Solana with the hopes of another 100% uptick next month, you might want to reconsider. Solana may be a wise long-term investment, but investing in the hopes of making a quick buck is never a good idea. Instead, consider the facts and utilize them to compare Solana to other investment prospects. Although Solana is considered a direct competitor to the Ethereum blockchain, Solana and other altcoins may be siphoning market share and investment dollars away from Bitcoin. According to CoinShares, Bitcoin lost $2.8 million in mid-August. Ethereum received only $3.2 million from crypto investors, whereas Solana gained $7 million. Visa claims that its payment system processes approximately 24,000 TPS. This is significant because if cryptocurrencies are to compete as a means of payment, they must match Visa's speed. According to market observers, Solana's spike could continue due to its planned token burn. This move, similar to Ethereum's token burning, has the potential to drive SOL values further higher. Aside from that, Solana plans to launch smart contracts soon, putting it in competition with ADA in terms of usefulness. Aside from that, investors' FOMO has also played a significant role in Solana's rise. Investors who missed out on the ETH boom are certain that Solana will have a similar rally and are so investing. Another reason to invest in Solana is the buzz surrounding DeFi and NFTs. According to Shark Tank investor Kevin O'Leary, DeFi apps are sure to replace financial intermediaries in the following years and, if accurate, might further boost all coins dealing in the base, including Sol. Despite this, if the cryptocurrency business continues to grow, Ethereum, Solana, and other cryptocurrencies will certainly have adequate room to operate. When it comes to Ethereum's upgrade, Solana may be able to take advantage of any glitches. With that being said, we have come to the end of the video. Guys, this video offers no investment or financial advice, and you are not being requested to invest in any crypto, so please be aware of that. This video is purely for educational and entertainment purposes. Because of this, we recommend you to do a thorough research on the subject before investing. Hope you enjoyed this. See you next time with a new video. Until then, bye!